Hello Fanatics! With our review of Free Fire coming out, we decided to share a few films to watch if you liked it. Enjoy. Reservoir Dogs is a crime thriller directed by Quentin Tarantino, starring Harvey Keitel, Tim Roth, and Michael Madsen. It follows the story of the aftermath of a botched jewelry heist, where the surviving criminals suspect one of their own is a police informant. This film has similar themes, humor, and an isolated atmosphere. There are many intense and violent scenes throughout. The Nice Guys is a crime comedy directed by Shane Black, starring Russell Crowe, Ryan Gosling, and Anjali Rice. Set in 1970s Los Angeles, an unlikely pair of private investigators follow up on reports of a missing girl linked to the mysterious death of a porn star. This film has a similar tone, themes, and humor. There is moderate nudity and some violent scenes throughout. Snatch is a crime comedy directed by Guy Ritchie, starring Jason Statham, Brad Pitt, and Benicio del Toro. It follows the story of immoral boxing promoters, bookkeepers, amateur robbers, Jewish jewelers, and a Russian gangster who fight to track down a priceless missing diamond. This film has a similar tone, themes, and humor. There is some nudity and some violent scenes throughout. Lock, Stock, and Two Smoking Barrels is a crime comedy directed by Guy Ritchie, starring Jason Flemyng, Dexter Fletcher, and Nick Moran. It follows the story of a botched card game in London that causes an unlikely group of people to collide, all in search of weed, cash, and two antique shotguns. This film has a similar tone, themes, and humor. There is brief nudity and many frightening and violent scenes throughout. Kiss Kiss Bang Bang is a crime comedy directed by Shane Black, starring Robert Downey Jr., Val Kilmer, and Michelle Monaghan. It follows the story of a murder mystery that brings together a private eye, a struggling actress, and a thief pretending to be an actor. This film has similar themes and humor. There is some mild nudity and some violent scenes throughout. Hopefully you like some of these films just as much as you did Free Fire. If you have any films you'd like to recommend to us or to the community, or you want to tell us what you thought of these films, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and you want to see more, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Check out our latest Film Fanatic review where we discuss the film Free Fire. Don't forget to follow us on our social media. We post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. Until next time, Fanatics, keep it real.